How to use vintage texture in DaVinci Resolve. Go to Effects panel, click on Generators and search for Vintage. Drag and drop a vintage texture into Timeline area. Select the layer and open up Inspector panel. Here we can change the animation scale, size of the texture, and the angle of it. To get a completely different look, uncheck Dark Texture checkbox. Here we added the texture, but let's see some of its uses. We can use it as a background. Drag your video above the texture layer. Now in the inspector, decrease zoom value. Search for drop shadow, click on OpenFX, and add it to the video. We can change the color of the texture. Remove the video and clear the search box. Click on Generators and drag a solid color to the bottom track. Change its color to a color you want. Then select the vintage texture and in the Settings tab, set composite mode to add. We can add a vintage look to the videos. Remove the solid color and bring a video below the vintage layer. Select the vintage layer and choose composite mode to something like difference and decrease opacity value.